20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. Asia's multimedia star ang ating panauhin ngayong hapon. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Alden Richard.
Pulang Araw po is storytelling about the Philippines during the World War, the Second World War po, brought by the Japanese. This is a story of 4 childhood friends who became very close and coming from all different walks of life.
Okay, played by ikaw,
ako po,
Barbie,
David, and Sanya. We live now in an age, Tito Boy, that I'd like to say history is taken for granted and our freedom is also taken for granted. Parang hindi natin nalalaman bakit ba tayo meron ito ngayon? Bakit meron tayo ng kalayaan na meron tayo ngayon? It's because of these people who became part of the World War, the Second World War. And at the same time, we owe a huge of debt to these people who have experienced all these hardships just to bring us comfort right now. If not for that World War po, wala po tayo ngayon. Hindi po tayo nakakapag-usap, Tito Boy. Wala po tayong TV shows, wala tayong cellphones, everything. And I can speak in confidence right now po because of this kasi our script is very much period correct po. We have consultants, we have people who tells us stories about the Second World War, and napakahirap po ng pinagdaanan ng mga Pilipino. Parang first 2 years ko po sa showbiz, I was just doing the job for money, basically. For fame, siguro sumama na lang po ng konti, and then eventually. Then right after po, I've been doing a couple of teleseries already, and then for some reason...
Ano to? Mga pa-extra? O may mga roles ka na?
May roles na pa, parang the eureka moment po was during One True Love. Na iba na yung ligaya na nabibigay sa akin ng pag-acting. And after that project po, that's when I decided na ito na yun.
I'm going to be an actor.
This is my calling. I think po, yun nga po, lagi kong sinasabi yan kapag tinatanong po ako any advice to the youth of kung gusto nilang pasukin or don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Just speak from the heart and be yourself. That's it. Period. Advice ko sa sarili ko noon, keep on moving forward. It's not gonna be an easy way. There will be hardships and times that makes you feel that you want to give up, pero laban lang. Sa advice ko sa sarili ko ngayon, matuto kang huminga, matuto kang alagaan ang iyong sarili, at minsan hindi naman din kasalanan yung isipin mo din kahit paano yung sarili mo. And to my future self, ikaw ang magpayo sa akin kasi hindi ko pa alam eh.